Hi, let us square a binomial. Let's say we have the square of x plus 3. Using the FOIL method of multiplying binomials, we multiply the first term of the two binomials. So let us expand the square of the binomial as x plus 3 times x plus 3. So using the FOIL method, we first have to multiply the first terms. So you have x squared plus the outer terms, which are the x and the 3. So you have x squared plus 3x. And then the inner terms, which are the 3 and the x, plus 3x. And then the last terms, which are the 3 and the 3. So 3 times 3 is positive 9. Combining the two middle terms because they are alike, so you have x squared plus 6x plus 9. Now, let us work on this with a shortcut. Okay, so since this is a square of a binomial, another method that we can use is to square the first term. So let's call this as the first term and then this as the second term. So we square the first term and then we square the last term. That would mean 3 times 3 or 3 squared, so plus 9. And then what we do with the to find the middle term, 6x, is to multiply the first and the second terms as 3x and then double. And so, therefore, we will have the same product, that is x squared plus 6x. That's the product of 3x times 2 plus 9. This outcome is called the PST, which is the perfect square trinomial. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.